Hey everyone, today I'm just going to give you another update on what I'm doing on my Subaru Forester. As you can see under the bonnet, this heat shield, I don't know what it's called, cover or something, it's actually falling apart. So you can see everything's like dusty and it's coming off. So I'm just going to remove the whole thing, and I bought a special sound deadening sheet for this. So it's like a aluminium foil kind of thing. So once I remove it, I'll show you how I'm going to install this one. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove all these knobs here. It's about 8 or 10 of them, and I'll give it a good clean and we'll go from there. Hey everyone, so I managed to remove that heat shield under the bonnet and give it a quick cleanup. So you can see this is the sheet that I got. So all I need to do is just cut it according to shape and then stick it in. At the back it's like that, so it's like basically it sticks under the hood. So I'll get into it and show you how it looks after it's installed. Alright guys, so here we go. It's all been installed. I have to say it wasn't the easiest to do. It's because of the material that's underneath. Once it sticks, it's like a sponge. It's very hard to cut it according to the line there. Once it sticks, so you have to peel it off little by little. So you can see the edges aren't perfect, but I think overall looks alright. Looks clear. Great, thanks for watching guys. Hope this has been informative for you.